the vertical tangent line. Alright. The definition of a tangent line to a curve does not cover the possibility of a vertical tangent line. For vertical tangent lines, it's possible to use this definition. Definition of a vertical tangent line. If f is continuous as h equals c and limit of f of c plus h minus f of c over h when h approaches 0 equals infinity or negative infinity, then the vertical line passing through point c f of c is a vertical tangent line to the graph of f of s, right? So look at example number 4 right here. Derivative of a graph with vertical tangent lines. Sketch the graph and find the derivative of f of s equals s power of 1/3 when s equals 0, right? Alright, so it's very easy to graph this one. It's gonna be something like this. We have f prime of 0 equals f of s minus f of 0 over s minus 0 when s approaches 0, right? So it's gonna be limit of s power of 1/3 minus 0 over s when s approaches 0, right? Now to simplify this one, it's gonna be s power of 1/3, subtract this one, it's gonna be s power of 1/3, right? And divide by this one, we're gonna use the formula a to the m over a to the n equals a to the m minus n, right? This guy means power of 1, right? So m equals 1/3, n equals 1, right? 1/3 subtract 1 is gonna be negative 2/3, right? So it's gonna be limit of s power of negative 2/3 when s approaches 0 is the same thing as limit of 1 over s power of 2/3 when s approaches 0, right? And then it's gonna be infinity, right? This guy is the same thing as does not exist, right? So we can conclude that f prime of 0 does not exist. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand